Let's face it, we often present to business professionals, all with varying levels of interest, knowledge, and goals. But there is nothing more stressful than trying to build an audience-focused presentation when faced with diverse opinions and care-abouts. So how do we manage all of these expectations? If you're like me, you're looking for a simple solution, one that helps you and your team streamline ideas and wrap them in a clear, concise narrative. Introducing Crafting Strategic Visual Stories, a workshop that helps teams build authentic business stories that can flex and resonate with varied audiences. We'll teach you how to turn your insights and data and recommendations into a story that leaves a lasting impression and spurs your audience to action. So whether you're working on a product update, customer pitch, or executive briefing, by the end of the workshop, you'll be able to transform messages into influential business narratives, elevate the meaning behind your data, and leverage a storytelling framework and common language for your team. Want to ensure real behavior change? We've got you covered. You'll transform your own business communication during class, receive peer and expert coaching, as well as ongoing reinforcement tools and checklists. And if you're limited on time, no problem. We offer on-site, virtual, and digital training to fit your busy schedule. So get in touch with us to learn more about how our storytelling workshop can transform your team into flexible, strategic communicators. Talk soon.